Hello everyone. Welcome back to Maduabum Law Firm LLC YouTube channel. Recently, the U.S. House of Representatives passed a bill that could significantly increase penalties for migrants who re-enter the United States after being deported. This proposed law would impose mandatory prison sentences, typically between 5 and 10 years, for anyone who re-enters illegally after removal. At Maduabum Law Firm LLC, we want to break down what this means for non-citizens, especially those with prior deportations or re-entry issues. Under current law, illegal re-entry after deportation is already a federal crime, but sentencing depends on individual circumstances and prior criminal history. Judges currently have discretion, meaning they can consider factors like your background, family ties, or lack of criminal record before deciding on a sentence. However, this House bill would remove much of that discretion. If enacted, judges would have no choice but to impose mandatory minimum prison terms, regardless of personal circumstances. This bill could impact a wide range of people, including non-citizens who were previously deported and later re-entered to reunite with family. Individuals who crossed the border after being removed years ago and have since built a life in the U.S. Those with old or minor criminal records tied to their past immigration cases. Even if your re-entry wasn't tied to a violent offense, the new law would treat all illegal re-entries the same way, with mandatory prison time. If this bill becomes law, consequences could include 5 to 10 years of mandatory federal imprisonment for illegal re-entry, increased likelihood of detention during immigration proceedings, limited options for relief or waivers, even for those with U.S. citizen spouses or children. This change could also affect pending immigration cases, particularly if the person has a past removal order or prior unlawful re-entry. If you have a prior removal order or have re-entered the U.S. after deportation, it's important to act before enforcement tightens. Here are key steps to consider. Consult an immigration attorney immediately. You may qualify for relief such as reopening your old removal case or applying for a waiver. Avoid any further immigration violations, such as using false documents or re-entering without authorization. Keep detailed records of your immigration history, prior deportations, and any pending applications. If you're detained or questioned by ICE, exercise your right to remain silent and request an attorney. At Maduabum Law Firm LLC, we handle both criminal defense and immigration law, which is crucial in cases involving illegal re-entry. Our team helps clients to review and challenge old removal orders, explore legal pathways to stay in the U.S. lawfully, and develop defense strategies in both immigration and federal court if charges are filed. The proposed House bill could reshape how illegal re-entry is punished in the U.S. If you or a loved one have prior deportations or are concerned about your immigration status. Don't wait until the law changes. Get legal advice now. Call Maduabum Law Firm LLC at 973-732-1490 or visit www.maduabumlaw.com to schedule a confidential consultation. Subscribe to our channel to keep yourself informed on immigration updates. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.